Doctors can tell a lot about your health just by looking at your hygiene. It's not just about smelling fresh or looking neat. Small habits you skip can send big warning signs about your energy, memory, and independence. Today, we'll uncover 7 hygiene mistakes seniors make that doctors notice right away, and how to avoid them. Mistake 1: Neglecting oral hygiene. One of the first things doctors notice is your mouth. Skipping brushing, ignoring dentures, or avoiding dental visits can lead to gum infections, trouble eating, and even heart disease. Poor oral hygiene also signals memory loss or depression. Keeping up with daily care is about more than fresh breath, it's about confidence and long-term health. Mistake 2: Ignoring skin care. Your skin reflects hydration, nutrition, and circulation. Dry or irritated skin may warn of diabetes, poor diet, or inactivity. Doctors also spot sores or bruises that suggest mobility struggles. Simple habits like moisturizing, inspecting skin, and drinking water protect health and dignity, and reveal you're still invested in self-care. Mistake 3: Overlooking hair and scalp. Oily, matted hair or a dirty scalp tells doctors more than just grooming habits. It can signal depression, cognitive decline, or even fear of showering due to fall risks. Hair care isn't vanity, it's a sign of self-respect and mental health. Clean hair and scalp also reduce dandruff, infections, and discomfort. Mistake 4: Neglecting nails. Doctors notice untrimmed, discolored, or thick nails quickly. These can indicate diabetes, fungal infections, or poor circulation. Dirty nails can even spread bacteria. Struggling with nail care often reveals vision, mobility, or mood issues. Clean, trimmed nails protect your health, comfort, and independence. Mistake 5: Wearing the same clothes. Wearing soiled or wrinkled clothes sends signals of fatigue, depression, or difficulty managing laundry. Doctors notice right away because it often reflects deeper struggles at home. Fresh clothes prevent skin infections and boost dignity. Small adjustments, like easier laundry systems, can restore pride and confidence. Mistake 6: Missing hidden areas. Doctors check overlooked spots like under folds, behind ears, or between toes. Neglecting these areas leads to odors, rashes, or infections. For seniors with mobility or vision challenges, these spots are often skipped. Regular gentle cleaning and drying prevent fungal infections and protect long-term health. Mistake 7: Ignoring breath and body odor. Persistent odors or bad breath often signal deeper issues, from dehydration to gum disease, or even diabetes and kidney problems. Doctors notice immediately. Staying hydrated, maintaining oral care, and wearing clean clothes help. If a new smell appears, it's your body's way of asking for medical attention. Growing older with dignity isn't about perfection, it's about paying attention to the small habits that keep you healthy and confident. Which of these hygiene mistakes surprised you most? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Legacy of Elders for more tips on aging with strength and pride.